With the rapid development of modern society and economy, the conventional fuel energy is decreasing day by day. The environmental pollution problem is becoming a more and more serious threat to nature. Hence, solar energy is valued by people for its unique advantages. Abundant solar energy resource is inexhaustible clean and renewable energy. Photovoltaic power generation is converting solar energy into electric energy directly on the basis of photoelectric effect of semiconductor. Solar inverter is the core equipment of solar PV system. Sensing the market demand with diversity of PV power generation application, JFY has launched a complete range of photovoltaic inverter products, which includes string inverter, central megawatt size inverter, off-grid inverter, solar pumping inverter, energy storage inverter, and so on. In the meantime, JFY has launched a PV remote monitoring system platform, PV Man, in order to manage and maintain the PV power system. Shenzhen Jinfuyuan Technology Company Limited, founded in 2003, is a professional designer, manufacturer, and solution provider in power electronic field. JFY has 20,000 square meters of production plants with world-class R&D laboratories in Shenzhen headquarters. Since 2010, JFY has launched a series of PV inverters with independent intellectual property rights, which were verified by CQC, TUV, VDE, China Electric Power Research Institute, and other authoritative institutions, and has won the world's top 10 PV inverter enterprises in China. Photovoltaic Inverter Innovation Award in China. Photovoltaic User Preferred Brand for Poverty Alleviation in China. Top 10 String Inverter and Central Inverter Brand in China, etc. Sun Tree Series 3-phase grid tie inverter. Power range from 5 kilowatts to 80 kilowatts. Product features: up to 4 mppt, maximum efficiency of 99%. String level monitoring, efficient and quick fault diagnosis. References: 31 megawatt large-scale ground PV power plant in Gudong Village, Hebei Province. 30 kilowatt PV power project in Vietnam. 1 megawatt factory rooftop PV power project in Bangkok, Thailand. 100 kilowatts PV power project in Wollongong, Sydney, Australia. 5 kilowatt household PV power project in Germany. String single-phase grid tie inverter. Sun Leaf Series 1.1 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt inverter, single-phase with single MPPT. Sun Sea Series 3 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt inverter, single-phase with double MPPT. Sunkit Series 3 kilowatts to 5 kilowatts inverter, single-phase high-frequency isolation applied to thin-film module. Product features: maximum MPPT efficiency of 99.6%, maximum efficiency up to 97.6%. References: 10 kilowatt PV power project for personal home use in Thailand. 10 kilowatt PV power project for farm use in New Zealand. 7.8 megawatt commercial rooftop project in Bangladesh. 24 kilowatt PV grid tie project for home use in Delhi, India. 20 kilowatt PV grid tie project in Australia. Sunforest Series Central Grid Tie Inverter. Power range from 100 kilowatts to 630 kilowatts. Two 500 kilowatts inverters are placed in the outdoor container to constitute a megawatt inverter unit. Product features: 3-level topology, maximum efficiency up to 99%. Advanced air duct design, long lifespan fan. References: 30 megawatt large-scale ground PV power plant for Xinjiang Production and Construction Corps. 30 megawatt large-scale ground PV power plant for China Datang Corporation in Inner Mongolia. 120 megawatts distributed PV power plant for Sanfeng Shang Company in Jiangsu. 30 megawatt Golden Sun demonstration project in Henan. Spring Series Solar Pumping Inverter. Output power ranging from 0.55 kilowatts to 75 kilowatts, and the output frequency is adjustable in real time according to the illumination intensity to track the maximum power point. Product features: IP65 protection degree, long lifespan design up to 10 years, support electricity supply and diesel generator input to meet full-time work demand. References: 11 kilowatt solar pumping project in Iran, 4 kilowatt solar pumping project in Kenya, 5.5 kilowatt solar pumping project in Sudan, 20 kilowatt solar pumping project in Turkey. Off-grid inverter applies in remote areas without power grid or unstable power grid. Product features: integrated design, full power range, 0.5 kilowatts to 160 kilowatts, compatible with lead acid and a lithium battery, 100% three-phase unbalanced load. References: 31 kilowatt off-grid project in Middle East, 7 kilowatt off-grid project in Johannesburg, South Africa, 60 kilowatt off-grid project in Java Island, Indonesia, 120 kilowatt off-grid project in Burundi, Africa, 20 kilowatt off-grid project in Pakistan. In order to facilitate the management and maintenance of PV power generation system, JFY has launched the PV monitoring platform, PVman. The solar inverter can be connected to the photovoltaic monitoring platform remotely via Wi-Fi or GPRS communication module. Operating status of PV power stations such as power generation, income, and etc. can be viewed by users through a mobile app at any time. When the solar power station fails, the fault reason is easy to be analyzed according to the alarm information of the monitoring platform. The user can contact the supplier to solve the problem remotely or on-site to avoid power loss. With excellent quality products, strong marketing and service team, JFY's market is expanding in domestic and abroad, such as Australia, Netherlands, Turkey, Thailand, India, Philippines, Pakistan, and etc. JFY's marketing network covers more than 60 countries and regions in the world.